Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe After Effects for export automation with Media Encoder, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer. From the welcome screen, locate the sign in option, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on Sign In. Enter your Adobe ID and password in the provided fields. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once your credentials are entered, click Sign In to access your account. Upon successful login, navigate to your project within After Effects. Prepare your composition for export. To do this, select the composition you want to export in the project panel. With the composition selected, go to the composition menu at the top of the screen. Choose Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue from the drop-down options. This action will automatically launch Adobe Media Encoder if it's not already open. In Adobe Media Encoder, your composition will appear in the queue panel. Configure the export settings as needed. You can choose the format and preset that best suits your project requirements. If you need to change the output destination, click on the file path next to the output file name. After setting your preferences, click the green play button in the upper right corner of the Media Encoder interface to start the export process. Monitor the progress in the queue panel while your project is rendering. Once the export is complete, check the output folder for your finished file. You have now successfully logged into Adobe After Effects and used Media Encoder for export automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.